What up, gang? Your boy Black Goes 300 back with another video. Hey man, it's time to do some shit, do some more upgrades to the car. So this is what we doing. Taking this radio out, and I'm putting this radio in. Yes, sir. Before I'm gonna start with the backup camera, I've got all the parts and stuff. All the connector wires and everything. Got the backup camera. So I have to start on that first. The transfer, microphone, antenna, and directions. You know I don't need these. But we finna get on it. Finna get back to you and show you what it look like. You heard? Okay, first things first, you gotta take off the trim piece. So yeah, gotta take this trim piece off. Alright, hold on. Okay, so you take the back piece off and you have to unhook all these pieces here. You have to take all those pieces. And then next, you're gonna take this out. But first, since I got the radio out, I need to go ahead and start with the backup camera. Let me go on and mount the backup camera and get the wires ran through. Then I'll come back to here. Hold on, be right. All right, gang, first I had to start with the backup camera, because it came with a backup camera. So, got that wire ran so far. As you can see, still running it through. So I'm gonna take a pause on that to get on the radio. Yeah, got the backup camera on. We'll tighten it up and run the wires. But let me jump on this part next real quick. So now I just gotta take this wire, this radio out. Also, I need to wire these right here. I got 2 sets, and I'm gonna mount them back there. And these gonna go to my floor lights. My floor lights and my floor mats. So yeah, they all, the floor mats LEDs, of course, you know. So, and the wires ran by USB. So I'm gonna tuck everything probably back here or back here. So I ain't gotta worry about no exposed wires and shit. So I got this one right here too. Yeah, this one's got to come out too. Run all that up to the front. You heard? All right, so right now what I'm doing is taking pieces, all the pieces off and putting them onto this one. So I've already got the vents off and the clock. Now I'm doing the controls, AC controls in this little slot. So might not even put the slot in there. In fact, I'm not putting the slot in there. So, not using that slot, but I'm using this. So, what it do, y'all? Going back. So, I've got the wires in. That's the GPS thing. It's already ran. It does come with 2 different power harnesses. So, but this is one power harness, but I've already got the actual one on here, so right there. So now what I'm doing is I'm basically now hooking up the backup camera. I already got the power wire ran through, and I've got the other wire, the jack, the AV jack, RCA jack, I'm sorry. It's already ran. I got it up here already. So the RC jack. So now I'm just gonna connect everything. I gotta still run some wires for my USBs that I got tucked down here for my floor mats, my lights that's up under here, and then it's gonna be for my nameplates that's going on my floor mats. You know, I got LED nameplates coming, so those are going on the floor mat. So I've already got those ran up in here. I've already got 2 connected, so you can see, which the radio comes with USB cords, connectors, but you have to connect them to the radio, and I'm actually running this wire somewhere else. So I'm gonna hook up the camera and see what we got, and I'll be right back. All these niggas pussy, so they hate on me, they cake on me. Broke that nigga mad, I got his fake on me. They broke his fuck on me. Perk on me, I'm lit. Come and get your bitch. She out on my dick. She won't put my click. Walk down with my click. Nigga talking hit. Before we gang this shit. Before we murder gang, nigga. Once he ain't gang. That's all I know. That's all I need. Only none of these rap niggas. Gonna take out by myself, nigga. No cosign, no handout. Got out the mud, got out the sewer. Murder with tips, nigga. Get the street. Nigga take the 2020 campaign, they out of fully rock. Look at you now. Look at you. Somebody go pick him up. It's over. Hey, burn one. Hey, bitch, I'ma burn one. Talking about your body, pussy nigga, better earn one. Go back, get the witness, better duck. He say he heard some. Talking like he dumb and he see us, I bet he learned some. Learn some. Bitch, this a cat, this ain't no nerve one. Ride with T-Slicky, got that click, I bet he murked some. Talking like he stiff, but he a bitch, he ain't gon' hurt none. Come and get your bitch, she on my dick, but she too worth. I ain't got a call for Chrissy, got a lick, I told him, hold on. I just bought an op, I grab the Glock and tell him, go on. Talking at his top, I get him dropped, he better go now. Tripping at my shoulders, we gon' blow him, we gon' go. All they dissing on this that bitch, we ain't going for. Go check the score, look at your homeboy. I don't IG dissing me and now he gone for. Fuck up, boy, we can't get caught one in the zone. Hey man, them little niggas pop your bro and you ain't roll. They run out with your shit and all you did was make a song. I fuck on everything, I know this nigga, I'll be wrong. Bitch, you way too broke to be for me, my money long. That's what I'm saying. Spilling through your section on that gang shit. How about what trucks we on that bang shit? Fuck the nigga chain, I want his brain, bitch, we gon' stain shit. Bitch, I'm at my body and all my niggas on that same shit. Hey, God, big on E, big on murder game, really stepping, nigga, add the street. Hey, H&G, real respect. Hey, YTN, first for the A, leave you on straight. Hey, king of the murder in 2020, I'm king of Texas. Hey, burn one. Hey, bitch, I'ma burn one. Talking about your body, pussy nigga, better earn one. Go back, get the witness, better duck, he say he heard some. Talking like he dumb and he see us, I bet he learned some. Learn some. Bitch, this a cat, this ain't no nerve one. Ride with T-Slicky, got that click, I bet he murked some. Talking like he stiff, but he a bitch, he ain't gon' hurt none. Come and get your bitch, she on my dick, but she too worth. Got a call for Chrissy, got a lick, I told him, hold on. I just bought an op, I grabbed a Glock and told him, go long. Talking at his top, I get him dropped, you better go now. Tripping in my shoulders, we gon' blow it, we gon' go hard. Nothing like the jumping, we ain't going for it. Go check the store, look at your homeboy. All that IT dissing me and now he gone for it. But we gave it couple and in the gone for it. You don't do that. Yeah, you don't do that, no, don't do that, boy. Yo, look at your partner, look at your homeboy, yo.